Flight then of the Sky Surfer, or pterosaur if you will. Wish me luck. And she's away, and as predicted, it's not the rocket ship. And that then is completely hands off, just climbing a little bit there. There's not much in the way of wind to speak of at the moment. That could all change. So takeoff was reasonably uneventful, and I think it just pitches up a little bit when you accelerate. That's cruising at half throttle there. So as a trainer or an FPV platform, I think we have a winner. Certainly you wouldn't want it to fly any slower, I don't think. Just above a walking pace there. Wind picking up a little bit from my right now. So just descending there, gliding. No motor, power up again. Yeah, very pleased with it. Out of the box, as it were. How slowly can we go without it falling out the sky? Our sweet spot is around about half throttle, just for tootling around. I wonder. Well, under duress, you could see the wings flexing there. Under duress, it will loop. I wonder. Well, under duress, you could see the wings flexing there. Under duress, it will loop. But as its intended function is just a gentle trainer, then that's how we should treat it, really. A lovely day for it as well. The strip is getting rather overgrown. It'll be strimmer time soon. But a docile flyer, just what you need. Calm days, calm evenings. Maybe trying out some FPV. I think we're on to a winner.
11.6 volts.
Doesn't seem to take too much juice either, so we'll have nice long flight times. What we haven't tried yet, what I haven't tried yet, is the rudder. So that's a coordinated turn there using the rudder to the left, and then rudder to the right. Yeah, so the rudder has sufficient authority to be useful. Yeah, very pleased with it. First flight. nice long flight times. And if you're in the market for a trainer or something to try out FPV with, this will be an inexpensive option, I think. It's just calm, relaxing fun, which is what you need sometimes. And there she is. Into the arrest of weeds. But very pleased with it for the first flight.
11.6 volts.
Still plenty of juice left. Had so much fun with the first flight. The wind has come up a little, but going to have another go. And she basically takes off on her own. There we are then, completely hands off. Couldn't get a more gentle flyer if you wanted, I don't think. And for a reasonably calm day like today, just for pootling around, stress-free, ideal. If you have any ambitions to fly, or you have a youngster that wants to learn, then this is something to consider. As I mentioned in the build video, okay, it's not any Aero Scout, but there again, it was only €60 for the full kit. You have nothing to lose. I could do this all day.
11.1 volts.
And with low consumption, you can fly for as long as you wish, pretty much. And there she is. And there she is. Okay, you won't win any prizes in the speed or beauty contests, but for a piece of fun and something for a beginner, pretty much ideal. There she is then in all her splendour, the Sky Surfer, recommended. Beginners or FPV fun, or just to relax. Many thanks for watching.
Throttle cut.